some money, okay? Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie T. For those you know and for those you do, thank you for joining the wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre Moniece. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Now you have watched me install Outre Moniece. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the unit. The unit is part of Outre's Perfect Hairline. The unit does come with 13x6 fully hand-tied lace frontal. The unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The color that I have is DR2 Chocolate Swirl. The unit can be worn glueless, and it does have transparent lace, which is said to be pre-plucked. The unit does come with 3 combs as well as adjustable straps, as well as a wide pre-attached elastic band for a glueless fit. The length of the unit is 24 inches. The unit, because it's a 13x6, can be worn left, right, or center. The unit is, I want to say it's beginner friendly, but something about the lace right here is just nagging me. I don't know. I didn't lay it down all the way. I just used some moves, and maybe if I lay it down, I'll feel more comfortable. But if I'm saying it's beginner friendly, I'm assuming you don't want to lay down the lace. So if I put glue on there or hairspray on there, is that still considered beginner friendly? Because it's just a spray, I guess. I don't know. So I guess it depends on your level of laying down a unit. I think this one may need to be laid down because I don't know if it's the way I cut the lace. I don't know. It keeps wanting to curl that way. So I don't know. Maybe it could just also be this color. So I don't know. Does the unit has flyaways? Oh yes, it does. It's getting on my nerves. But if you get some hairspray, you could just spray it on there and the flyaways should be tamed. Does it shed? Not really. No, not really. No. It doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle. It was just a flyaways. It does say it has a pre-plucked hairline, which I agree with. If it wasn't for this lace right here, you would think this is my hair. At least I think. So the color looks like something I would wear. It's very, very natural looking. Very natural looking. And the texture also looks yucky. It's like, yeah, I feel like he could pass for my hair. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like I could. It looks like you got either a Dominican blowout or a sew-in to me. That's what it looks like. Okay, Now, I've never had neither one of them, but when I see other people's pictures, that's what it looks like to me. Like what their pictures look like in a Dominican block and a sew-in, that's what this unit reminds me of. Again, I've never got neither one of them, so don't come for me if that's what it don't look like. I'm just saying when I see pictures of somebody, I say, oh, I got a Dominican blowout. That's what it looks like. And when somebody say, oh, I got a sew-in, to me, that's what it looks like. So you want to save yourself some coins, because again, I don't know how much sew-ins go for. I'm assuming a good one maybe 300 and up. If you want to save your coins and you want to try to sew in, try this unit. I'm just saying, I'm trying to save you some money, okay? In this economy, I'm just trying to save you some money. I mean, it's just if you want to go ahead and spend your coins, go ahead and do it anyway, because you got one life to live. It's your money, not mine. I'm just trying to save you, assuming you need saving, okay? But that's all I have for this wig review. What say you? What say you? Y'all like the unit? Do you hate the unit? Am I wrong about the Dominican blowout or sewing? Let me know, because I am open to correction. If I'm wrong, I'm saying wrong. I'm going to apologize and keep pushing, okay? So let me know what you think about the unit. But that's all I have for the unit. If you guys in the video, you know what I'm saying. You're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. Let's see you in the next week. Bye, guys.